Hello, my name is Shaki. I'm describing about Nerf guns. My favorite one is the Hellfire, but you can see it right on the side. Hellfire. Shall I show you to shoot it? Wait. I have to change the gear into the right one. It's quite loopy. See? We only go 75 feet. So I'm not going to do it outside because I'll lose some bullets. Okay? So that's the Hellfire. Can you see this name? Rampage.
Rampage.
And you can see it. And you can see on the other side. Right here. You can't see it because I'm using like a tablet, HP tablet. It won't. You can't see it properly because it's in like dark color. I like this gun because you reload and you can do a fast move. I'll show you the slow move first. That's the fast move. This is a slow move. That's the slow move.
Next.
This is the... You can see it right here. I can't see it properly.
It's
right here.
It's a Marv Reef 6.
When you reload, but there's no bullets in here, so I'll put one bullet. I'll put
Couple.
6 bullets in. Just wait. So you have to push the bullets in deep, or it won't fit. Oh. See? This is all today, and this is Shaq One. I'll see you later.